Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In our previous lecture, we discussed the determination of a market equilibrium under perfect competition. There we discussed that market equilibrium is a situation when the demand for a commodity is exactly equal to its supply, or when the demand and supply curve of a commodity intersect each other. The price corresponding to market equilibrium situation is called the equilibrium price, and the quantity demanded and supplied at equilibrium price is called equilibrium quantity. Now in this lecture we will learn the effects of shifts in demand and supply on equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Dear students, shifts in demand means the change in demand which has two aspects. First, increase in demand, and second, decrease in demand. The demand curve shifts due to various reasons as already discussed in your chapter 2, like it shifts due to change in price of related goods, change in income of consumers, change in tastes and preferences, etc. Now, the shifts in supply. Students, shifts in supply means the change in supply, which also has two aspects. First, increase in supply, and second, decrease in supply. And the factors responsible for shift in supply curve are change in price of factors of production, change in the state of technology, change in government policy, change in number of firms in the market, etc. Or simply we can say that the shift in demand and supply curve occurs due to change in factors other than the price of a commodity. As we know that equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity are determined when quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. Here we have to analyze what will happen to equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity if there is any change which leads to shifts in either demand curve or supply curve, or both demand and supply curve simultaneously. So we have to analyze three different situations. First, the effect of shift or change in demand while keeping supply constant on equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. The effect of change in supply only on equilibrium price and quantity while keeping demand constant. And third, when both the supply and demand changes simultaneously. Let us first discuss the effect of shift, or we can say the effect of change in demand on equilibrium price and quantity keeping supply constant. As already told you that the change in demand may be either increase in demand or decrease in demand. In case of increase in demand, the demand curve shifts to the right, or we can say that increase in demand leads to rightward shift in demand curve. Now, what will happen to equilibrium price and quantity in case of increase in demand or in case of a rightward shift in demand curve? It is being illustrated with the help of the figure given here. Here we can see that the original market equilibrium is determined at point E when the original demand curve DD and supply curve SS intersect each other. OQ is the equilibrium quantity and OP is the equilibrium price. Due to increase in demand, the demand curve shifts to the right from DD to D1 while the supply curve remaining the same. When demand increases to D1, it creates an excess demand at the old equilibrium price of OP, as at the old equilibrium price OP, demand is now greater than supply, which creates a situation of excess demand. This leads to a competition among buyers, which raises the price. Students, rise in price leads to contraction in demand and extension in supply. These changes will continue till the new equilibrium is established at point E1, where new demand curve D1 intersects supply curve SS at point E1, which is the new equilibrium point. As we can see from the figure that at new equilibrium point E1, the equilibrium price increases from OP to OP1 and equilibrium quantity also increases from OQ to OQ1. Thus we can say that as there is an increase in demand only keeping supply constant, both the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity increases. Now coming to the case of decrease in demand. In case of decrease in demand, the demand curve shifts to the left, or we can say that decrease in demand leads to leftward shift in demand curve. Now, what will happen to equilibrium price and quantity in case of decrease in demand or in case of leftward shift in demand curve? It's illustrated with the help of the figure given in this slide. Here we can see that original market equilibrium is determined at point E when the demand curve DD intersects the supply curve SS. Here OQ is the equilibrium quantity and OP is the equilibrium price. Now due to decrease in demand, the demand curve shifts to the left from DD to D2, while supply curve remaining the same. When demand decreases to D2, it creates an excess supply at the old equilibrium price of OP. This leads to competition among sellers, which reduces the price. Decrease in price leads to rise in demand and fall in supply. These changes continue till the new equilibrium position is established at point E2. At point E2, which is the new equilibrium position, the new demand curve D2 intersects the original supply curve SS at point E2. So as can be seen from this figure that at new equilibrium point E2, the equilibrium price decreases from OP to OP2, and equilibrium quantity also decreases from OQ to OQ2. Or we can say that as there is a decrease in demand only while keeping supply constant, both the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity decreases. Now let us discuss the effects of shift or change in supply on equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity while keeping now demand constant. Students, change in supply has also two aspects, that is increase in supply and decrease in supply. Increase in supply leads to rightward shift in supply curve. Now let us analyze the effect of increase in supply keeping demand constant on equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity with the help of the figure given here. Here in this figure, the original equilibrium is established at point E when demand curve DD and supply curve SS intersect each other. The equilibrium price is OP and equilibrium quantity is OQ. Now given the demand curve, an increase in supply leads to rightward shift in supply curve from SS to S1S1. When supply curve shifts to the right to S1S1, it creates an excess supply at the old equilibrium price of P. Excess supply will cause a fall in price. Consequently, demand will extend due to fall in price and supply will contract. This process will continue till such a price is reached where quantity demanded will become equal to quantity supplied. As we can see from the figure, the new equilibrium point is established at point E1 where the new supply curve S1S1 intersects the original demand curve DD at point E1. At the new equilibrium point E1, the equilibrium price falls from OP to OP1 and equilibrium quantity increases from OQ to OQ1. So we can say that as there is an increase in supply keeping demand constant, equilibrium price decreases but equilibrium quantity increases. Now coming to the case of decrease in supply keeping demand unchanged. In case of decrease in supply, the supply curve shifts to the left, and this case is illustrated with the help of the figure given in this slide. Here in this figure, the original equilibrium is determined at point E when demand curve dt and supply curve S1 intersect each other. The equilibrium price is OP and equilibrium quantity is OQ. Now given the demand curve, a decrease in supply leads to leftward shift in supply curve from S1 to SS as shown in the figure. When supply curve shifts to the left to SS, it creates a situation of a deficiency of supply, or we can say excess demand, at the old equilibrium price of P. Deficient supply or excess demand will cause a rise in price. Due to rise in price, demand will contract and supply will extend. This process will continue till such a price is reached where quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. As we can see from the figure, the new equilibrium point is established at point E2 where the new supply curve SS intersects the original demand curve DD at point E2. At the new equilibrium point E2, the equilibrium price rises from OP to OP2 and equilibrium quantity decreases from OQ to OQ2. Or we can say that as there is a decrease in supply while keeping demand unchanged or constant, equilibrium price increases but equilibrium quantity decreases. The case of simultaneous change in demand and supply and its effect on equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity will be discussed in our next lecture. Thank you.